Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the drain heater on the 700 BFI. So you have to get underneath and you have to pull the condensing unit out. And on this unit we cut the old unit out because this unit's going to be scrapped. But here's the drain heater underneath here. You can see that. You just pull it out like that, and then you just connect right there, and that's it. That's the drain heater right there. To put it back in, move this out of the way. You just put it in here. Let's get our head in there. See it in there? Just pull it in, and that's how you do it. You could cut the cable tie on there that's holding that in. Like that. That's the drain heater.